In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage documents in Pandadoc by expiring or deleting them. Whether you're trying to prevent a recipient from accessing a document or you simply want to tidy up your document list, I'll guide you through these processes with ease. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First, let's talk about expiring a document. This is a helpful option if you want to ensure that recipients can no longer access a document. The initial step involves enabling manual status change. You'll want to begin by heading over to the Add-ons section in Pandadoc and ensuring that the Manual Status Change feature is activated. Activating this feature essentially equips you with the ability to manually adjust the status of your documents, which can be incredibly useful if you find yourself needing more control over document accessibility. With that done, the next step is navigating to the document list to find the document that you would like to expire. This list is your go-to hub for all published materials, so scroll through and locate the specific document you're interested in managing. Once you've identified it, hover your cursor over the document. This will reveal a menu icon represented by vertical ellipses. Click on these ellipses to open up a drop-down menu. From here, you'll choose the Change Status option. When prompted, select Expired. Changing the document's status to expired will effectively block recipients from accessing it any further. Importantly, the recipient will be notified via email about this change. They'll be informed that the document is no longer accessible to them, ensuring they are immediately aware of the update on your end. Now, let's move on to deleting a document. Deletion is straightforward and permanent, making it an excellent choice for when you want to remove a document entirely from your records. Again, you'll start at the document list, scrolling through until you pinpoint the document you wish to delete. Hover over the document and click on the vertical ellipses to access the drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find and select the Move to Trash option. This action will effectively remove the document from your list, essentially clearing it out of your active workspace. One key point to note here is that unlike expiring a document, deleting it does not trigger any notification to the recipient. They will not get an email or message about the document's deletion, which can be advantageous if you prefer a quieter removal process without alerting other parties. By following these steps, you can maintain better control over your documents in Pandadoc, whether that's preventing access through expiration or tidying up via deletion. Thanks for watching, and I hope these instructions help streamline your document management tasks.